Hi everyone, welcome back to M Cosmetics. I am excited to share with you our first official merch launch.
It feels so satisfying when you touch it. It's a nice neoprene texture, a little detailing.
So we curated our favorite colors for this spring edit. The first color we have here is Truffle Haze. The second color is our top seller, Magic Hour. This third color we have right here is Lotus Blossom, and it's this beautiful princess pink color. This fourth color we have here is Secret Blush. And the final color is Aurora Pink. If you fell in love with our Illustrative brush tip eyeliner, you're gonna love our newest shade expansion. This dark brown color is just beautiful. The brush tip is flexible, but the color is this gorgeous coffee brown. You can see it right here. Fast drying, long lasting, long wearing, flexible tip. The next looks that you're gonna see, I'm gonna be pairing it with our edited True Glosses to show you how you can pair the looks with our collection. So I hope you enjoy it. All right, everyone, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the looks and you're inspired. If you want to learn more about a spring promotion that we have for this bundle, check out mcosmetics.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.